Any school management software starts with the enrolling the students, that is admissions. Now let us see the settings required to fill admission form. To settings and then click on school info. This is the setting screen. This is to manage address of your school. This is to manage logo of your school, and this is to manage mediums of your school, that is medium of instructions. This is to manage student photo sizes. Two text fields are given, that means two lines are given for the address. Place means city or town of the school where your school is located. This is the phone number of your school, it's email address and website if any. Hide logo on main screen. So if you tick and save, the logo will be hidden on main screen. Where is the main screen? So just close this. So this is the main screen logo. In case you do not want to see your school logo on this main screen, then simply choose the option hide logo on main screen. In case you do not want to hide it, simply untick it. Then click on save to save the address section of the screen. School information updated, that means you clicked on address information, so address information is saved, and to see the changes you will have to re-log into the software. Okay, now shall we move into logo part. This is your school logo already browsed. In case your school logo is updated, so you want to update this logo, then simply click on browse logo. So choose the logo from your computer. So this logo will be changed. In case you do not want to use this logo anywhere, then simply click on clear to clear the logo. If your school offers more than one medium of instruction, then you can click here and type the medium of instruction, that is second medium. English medium is already saved. Now I am going to save Telugu as another medium. This is how to save the medium of instruction. In case you want to remove this, select the medium and then click on mouse right button and then click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Click on delete. This is how to manage the medium. If your school offers only medium of instruction as English, then leave this box as it is. What is this photo size and where can we use this? This photo size is for student's photo appears in the admission register. You can specify the photo size that you want here. Here I am specifying the photo size as 130 pixel width and 130 pixel height. After that you click on save to save the photo size. Photo settings information, save. Now let us see how to create academic year. Academic year is a session. Click on academic year tab. These are the list of academic years already created. type the academic year in this text box. Let's say 2015 and 16. Here I am going to create. This is the starting date of the academic year. This is the end date of the academic year. So in case you want to change here. Then click on save button. Saved academic year appeared in the list. We know how to create academic year. Let us see how to modify the same. So here type the academic year exactly the way you created and then change the dates. Usually the changing of the academic year only belongs to changing the either first date or last date. Let's say 17th is the start date and 25th is the end date, let's say. So then once you change the dates, you can save it. It's automatically overridden. For the session 2015 and 16, these dates are changed. This is how to edit the academic year. So I'm reverting back to, again I'm editing to revert back 15th, and this is also 15th. Save. Select the academic year and then click on mouse right button. Context menu appears with the delete option. Click on the same to delete. Yes, academic year information deleted. This is how to manage the academic year. Please note that you cannot delete academic year if it is having associated records. What are the associated records? Under the academic year, we create admission records, fee settings and fee collection, entering the attendance, collection of the fees. These are all associated records related to that particular academic year. Any one of the record is created, then you cannot delete the academic year. You can always modify the dates of the academic year. That means you can edit the academic year, but you cannot delete the academic year once it has associated records. Still there is a need to delete the academic year. Then first you will have to delete all associated records. To provide admission, school may need to collect some documents or certificates from students like TC, study certificate of the previous schools, etc. Now let us see how to create the list of documents that required. Go to settings, then go to documents. Click here. See, these are the list of documents that are already created. So to add a new document, click on new button. Let's say study certificate. After typing the certificate name or document name, then simply click on save. The saved document appears in the list. Again, if you have any other documents, you can type here. To edit the document, select the document and then click on edit button. Let's say you don't want a space, so modify. So delete the document, select it, and are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Record deleted. This is the way to work with the documents list. These list of documents where we use simply this list of documents to be collected from the student. So go to admission register and then click on document submitted. These are the list of documents or certificates, whatever, to be submitted by the student. Let's say photo, 3 copies is given. Birth certificate is 1 copy is given. Suppose in case you want to add one more, these are the list of documents that you created in the master file in settings, that is in settings. So let's say transfer certificates, already he submitted the transfer certificate also. Then save. Like this you can add the submitted documents by the student here. So obviously you know how to edit this. Select the record that you want to edit, then click on edit tab, then you can make it as a 2 duplicate copies, let's say. So you know how to delete this. Select the record and then click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Delete it. This is how to manage the documents. These are the list of documents created in master settings. These are the documents used in the student's admission register. We'll see how to work with the admission register in the coming sessions. Digital School provides you a report to know the status of document submission. So this is the report. I have selected class 3 and the sections all means all the sections, and then click on show. This is a list of students available under this particular selection, class and section, that is. So whether the student submitted the documents or not will be listed here. This is a birth certificate, is the only person given, 3 photos given by the only student. Similarly, previous school progress cards is submitted by this student. Like this you will come to know all the details of the students, whether they submitted the documents or not. To generate this report, go to admissions and then reports, document submitted. Click here to get the screen.